What's up guys, for today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to showcase a refrigerator for your Tesla Model Y. Now, I own a Tesla Model 3. There's no refrigerator for it, so I'm a little jealous. But my friend Jordan here and her husband John brought their Tesla Model Y, and we're going to install it here. We're going to show you how it's done. We're going to test it out. And if you guys do like it, I got the discount code link below. All right, check this out. Let's do this. So when did you guys get your Tesla Model Y?
In February.
February, just recently?
Uh-huh.
Dang, you guys like it?
It's amazing.
That's cool.
I love not having to get gas anymore.
Right? I didn't even know this top thing came with it. That's crazy that this has it. It just folds over, that's it? That easy?
So.
That's nice.
We haven't tested it out yet.
It's a magnet, huh?
Yeah, but
That's really cool.
does it come out on the back side?
I'm gonna,
Oh, there we go.
now I haven't tested out the size. I don't know if it's perfectly for this model. And what model is this?
The Model Y.
Model Y? I mean, what year? 2020? Oh, it's brand new, spanking new. Okay, there's a small chance it might not fit, but we're gonna try, okay? We give it a shot. Please let it fit. Let's go ahead and open this box. Let's see what's in here. All right, so special thanks to Lard. I've been with them since day one. They have amazing accessories. Get all your Tesla accessories from them. Big discount code link below. So let's open this up and pray that it actually fits, because I would like for you guys to drive away with this refrigerator. Because I mean, you know what I thought would be great for? I thought if you go to the store and you want to buy ice cream or something cold, and if you're not going home right away, you can't buy it. Like, now you could go and buy it. I think that's one thing that you can use this for. The reason why the Model Y could get it and our Model 3 cannot is because the Model Y has a cigarette adapter plug right over here.
Oh, I didn't
So
know.
yeah, our Model 3 doesn't have it, so it's like you can't put it back there, you can't plug into anything. So
Cool.
yeah.
That's something I didn't know.
right, Jaden? Like you can't even tell it's there because it's right behind it. All right, let's open this up. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Now for the test. When I tried this out for the Tesla Model Y with third row, it wouldn't fit because the third row made this smaller. So now that you guys have two rows, let's see.
It's like
Let's
Tetris.
see. Yeah, it's like Tetris. Like, wait a minute.
that looks-
Maybe this is it. Oh, there it is. Winner. Some of the other accessories, I need tools. I have to open things up. But I think with this one, I think anybody can install this. So,
Oh, okay.
all right, let's give it a shot.
It does say that there's a screwdriver in there, I think, maybe.
Oh, it needs a screwdriver. Oh yeah, there's cool.
Screws and the manual.
Yeah, comes with a screwdriver, comes with some nails, and it comes with manual. Okay.
I think it's on there.
Well, that is flushed out on the bottom. I think that's it. I don't think it's supposed to really go in there.
Yeah, because I know you can push this one further back, just not this side.
Yeah, right, because I mean of the plug, I think they just
Yep.
trying to make sure it doesn't get squashed in. Okay. Okay, there's a button on the side to open up the door. Okay, that's how you open it. Right here, there's the button to open the door. It looked like it turned off when we pushed it in, but it just goes off automatically. There's a power button right here. You hold it down for 3 seconds to turn it on and off, which is smart because you don't want it on all the time, just when you really need to use it. So that's really clever.
Should I jump in here
Yeah,
so I
get
can see over
comfortable.
my shoulder? Okay. There we go. Fit perfectly.
You're more comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, that's much better.
Crazy because so much of the Tesla accessories make it look like as if it's made by Tesla themselves.
Yeah.
Right? Like the refrigerator. It's so perfect in there. It's like as if they planned this, but yeah, I love it. I want our viewers to know that we're not lying about our products. If I actually get items that I personally don't like, I don't review it. I just asked them that I want to send it back. I'm not a big fan of it, so I'm not over here like, yeah, it's amazing. When like in the end, I want to just throw it away. So
Thank you.
you can be honest about it. And of course, that is the downfall when you're honest. And if you don't like it, then they might not want you to post it.
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go.
Yeah.
That's good. You guys can take it. Okay. Nice.
Wow, that's
there you go.
cool.
Yeah, you know what, John? Can you get her just slowly peeling out that thing?
Wow, that looks so nice.
That looks dope. That looks really cool.
Oh, that looks
Ooh,
clean.
that looks so high tech, guys. I'm so jealous. That is so nice.
Wow.
Come on, that is crazy to have a refrigerator like that in your car. That's insane.
Wow.
So they said that this thing gets cold as 5 Celsius to 30 Celsius. Now, do you guys have a phone? Can you guys? Now that's 41 Fahrenheit. I just Googled that.
Oh,
So the coldest it gets is 41 Fahrenheit, and then the warmest it'll get up to is 86 Fahrenheit, which is room temperature. In case you guys need to put something room temperature. Yeah. If you were to get hairsprays or sunscreens or something that needs room temperature, you could keep it in there, keep it at that temperature. But if you want something cold like food and drinks and vegetables and ice cream especially, then you could leave it colder. So right now it says 23 Celsius. I don't think that you could actually change the Fahrenheit. I wish you can. But I think the 23 means that it's the temperature in there right now. I want it to be as cold as possible. So the lowest is going to be -5. Then at that point, it's going to stop, and then it's going to tell you what temperature it is right now. And then I'm pretty sure like 10 minutes, 15 minutes from now, the number will drop. A little knob on the side over here, you could push it in, and then you push it down. And there's a deep hole that you could put stuff on the bottom. And there is a metal container here
oh
that
wow.
you can use to
I didn't know
separate.
you can put this on here too.
Yeah,
Is it this way?
right. It's another Tetris.
Is it? I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it too.
Perfect.
Yeah, that way you could put fruits on top, and then ice creams on the bottom, and it gives you a little rag to wipe it down over here. So yeah, guys. So I got the discount code link below from Tillard. If you guys want a refrigerator in your Tesla Model Y, definitely hook yourself up. And thank you guys for watching all the way through. Leave a comment. And thank you, Jordan and John.
Thank you for doing this. This is awesome.
Awesome. All right. See you next time.